God.
Something massive just landed in the field behind us.
Oh.
It's hail. Very, very big.
Oh my god, they're really big. They're coming down over there.
Oh whoa, we've got a tube coming down right at the side of us. Look at it.
Where is it?
Next to us.
Oh. Oh.
I'm getting out.
Come on, look. Come down there. Come down.
Excuse me. Go on! Yeah. It's done it, it's down, look at that! Oh, there's very big ones coming down. I know.
Well, it's not that big. It's only reported up to 1.5 inches.
That's enough to. That's enough to.
Yeah.
Oh, can you just do like a rough piece of the camera? What's the hail? It's massive. It's in the field.
Wow, look at it now. Look at
Oh my god. Wow, look at that.
Ah, that was a big one.
I think we ought to leave a little bit.
Where are we going to get? It's going to cross the road. We can't go anywhere.
Oh, there's cars in there. Get out. They're stopped as well.
What?
Whoa.
That's massive. Oh god.
I'm going to get in the car. Excuse me. Get in the car. Oh!
Oh yeah. I think we're just going to have to go.
Go where?
South, is it, Cat?
Do you want me to keep going? No, it's crossing the road in front of us.
Yeah, just
get a bit nearer and then it won't.
that's why it's going south.
We're at the hill.
What if it turns?
We go back the other way.
Oh my god.
Behind us.
Just creep forward.
God, there's a car there. I just can't believe.
Wow.
What the hell's east? Yeah, I just. You just went. Oh, there's a bit of a tube up there. It's like, look at
I can't believe how quickly that appeared.
we going to move again?
Just keep drifting south.
Alright, can I give you that to just keep going?
Oh my god, it's like a baseball.
Matt, get in!
Get in! Just go steady.
Oh, it's huge. Oh shit.
What am I going to do? It's the tornado or the hail?
Just keep going, we just have to get as close as we can. Yeah, it's alright.
It's just crossing the road in front of us now.
Oh, it's gone across the road. We can get past.
Right, shall I go past it now?
Just watch out for this nozzle. All you gotta do is watch for any down power lines or anything though.
Yeah, sure.
Look at it
up there in the cloud now. You can actually see this. Oh my god, how close. Don't go. Okay, just in case it doubles back.
Okay.
There's a huge hail's going down.
Oh, I need to get from behind this building, surely.
Yeah.
Can we just get down and then look back at it?
Yeah.
It's a bit scary.
The hail's still massive.
Oh god, yeah, we can't. It's a massive hail.
Just take some pictures. Scared and excited at the same time.
Look at the size of the hail.
Oh, it's going over a building.
Oh no, is it?
There's something there, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's like full of debris.
It's going over something.
Oh, it's huge hail.
Tiny little section was.
Oh shit, watch out, don't go too fast, these are huge.
Try and get out of it.
I know.
They're really see-through as well. Oh my god. Oh, there's some sort of horrific line on the road in front. Well, we're losing the bigger hail, I think.
Oh wow. Watch out.
Shit, mate.
Put the camera on the thing, I think. Oh my god. Rainbows and tornadoes.